After one of my previous videos, I got a question about what is an SDUI platform actually? And a very good question, so I'm going to answer that here. An SDUI platform is a piece of software on the server, a piece of software in clients, Swift and Kotlin in iOS and Android, as well as an API contract to connect the two. So on the server, we write code in .NET or Node, TypeScript, or Go, language of choice. And we move as much of the logic that controls the app to that bit of the server. So together, we create a library of components. And those are traditional UX components. Think of buttons, images, carousels, the components you see in an app, but also the interaction patterns. So navigation, back navigation, dialogues, actions, submit form or add to cart or things like that. So this total library is known on the server. Server knows which components there are in the library. The clients know how to show a component or how to execute a component. And the API contract knows how to communicate between the two and send the information from the server to the client and back. So if we take, for example, a product detail page, traditionally in an app, the app would know, oh, I'm going to show a product detail page. I need to have an image of the product, and then I need to have some descriptive text, and there's an add to cart button, and there's a price. And the app knows how to request that information. It will tell the server, give me the information for this product, and then you press the add to cart button, and it sends, oh, I'll add this product to the cart. And all that knowledge, what happens is in the app. In a server-driven UI world, that knowledge lives on the server. So the server tells the app, show a product detail page. And this product detail page is show actually an image and a text and a button. And if the button is pressed, execute this action. So the app doesn't know the whole concept of a product detail page. And the big advantage is now there's a product that has multiple sizes. So you do add to basket and first, oh, do you want a small, medium, large? Oh, yeah, medium. In the traditional app world, you would have to build that bit of logic. Oh, this button now has this pop-up, and you have to respond to this, and you have to do it in iOS and Android. And you have to think of what do you do with all the apps that will now no longer, they will not send the size for this product when you do add to basket, because that feature does not exist in those apps. So in the server-driven UI world, you create the concept of a pop-up or the action of an extra selection, and then all apps that have that feature will be able to send that extra information. And you can reuse that concept across the entire app, not only on the product detail page. This, over time, moves a lot of information to the server and allows you to scale a lot faster. So I hope that answers that question. And if any one of you has another question, feel free to comment below, and then I'll answer it and maybe create another video. Thank you.